Good morning to the student of 9th class. I again appeared before all of you to describe a new topic related to economics, lesson 2, people as a resources. Before describing the topic, I want to give a message to all of you, which is based on moral duties. Time is money. It is rightly said that time is money, which the time is passing cannot again in your life. So stay your home and best use of time. Come on the topic. Many of the countries, as Japan, that is found the lack of natural resources, but on the basis of human resources, high rate of technology, Japan and other developed countries manufactured different type of goods and commodities and export to the other countries for getting foreign exchange. So human resources as well as education technologies plays an important role for increasing the per capita income of those countries as well as national income increases. Next topic is economic activities by men and women. As you know, men and women, both of the person that they are done different type of activities in the sectors. As you know that Bilas and Sakal, people have been engaged in various activities. We saw in the previous chapter topic, Bilas sold fishes and Sakal got a job because Sakal got the education of computer, so he worked a private firm and he prepared a software. The software sold in the economy and he got much money. So in the point of income, Sakal is more than Bilas. As you see that Bilas has taken the responsibility of his mother. His mother sold fishes in one village to another village. So the various activities have been classified into 3 activities or sector. At first, you have to know about the what is means by sector. Sector is a firm, places where the activities are performed by the men and women in the economy. So sector has been classified into 3 main activities, has been classified into 3 sectors: primary sector, secondary sector as well as tertiary sectors. Primary sector related to agriculture, husbandry, fishing as well as dairy, poultry farm. Secondary sector means the person who are engaged in industries or you can say in other words that industrial sectors is called secondary sectors. Many of the persons, labor, skilled and unskilled laborers, men and women, that they are engaged in industries and produce thousands of goods as sugar industries, jute industries, etc. Third type of sector or activities where men and women both are performed in service sectors or tertiary sectors. Tertiary sector means the sectors which helps primary or secondary sectors as means of transportation, banking system, life insurance, administration, post office, means that they help to primary and secondary sector. As take an examples, the person who works in primary sector or secondary sectors, that they take loan from the banking. So banking comes under the tertiary sectors. According to your book, economic activities have two parts. Economic activities are non-economic activities. Economic activities means after finishing of the work in any sectors that the person earns money. That is called economic activities. Non-economic activities means the person after finishing of the work in any sectors, the person who does not earn money, that is called non-economic activities. काम करने के बाद उसको पैसा की प्राप्ति नहीं होती है. Just suppose that the woman who do the work in domestic chores, but they do not earn money. That comes under the non-economic activities. Means she does not get money. Suppose that the teachers who teaches the students and earn the money, that is called economic activities. And the teachers, the fathers who teaches his son, they do not earn money. Such type of work and activities comes under the non-economic activities because he does not earn money. Economic activities have two parts: market activities and non-market activities. Market activities means involves the remunerations to anyone who perform the activities for pay or profit. In another words, you can say that the farmers who produce the goods and they sell in the market and earn the money, that is called market activities. And non-market activities means the production is done for self consumption. वैसे उत्पादन जो उपभोग के लिए किया जाता है उसको कहते हैं नॉन मार्केट एक्टिविटीज. This can be, suppose that you see in the pictures. Here these pictures, the farmers plows the fields, that comes under the primary sectors. They produce different type of grains, that it is related to the agricultures. In the middle you see that some of the factories, that is established industries, that is established, thousands of goods are manufactured by men and women. That comes under the secondary sectors. And third, at the bottom you see in the pictures, means of transportation system, other service sectors, that helps both of the sectors, that comes under the tertiary sector or service sectors. I will explain the new topic. Thank you.